Why a weight plate? Let's take a look at the pros and cons. The pros of a weight plate include efficiency. Since many exercises use similar movements, you can chain exercises together to get a streamlined workout. Since it's one large implement, you can perform full body moves. The unique shape. The unique shape of a weight plate allows you to perform exercises that you wouldn't be able to with other implements, particularly for torso rotation. Ergonomics. Since the weight plate is one particular size, it puts the arms in the perfect position, particularly for shoulder and tricep exercises. Cons of using a weight plate include no single limb movements. It's pretty difficult to do unless if you can squeeze the weight plate or it has a handle. The awkward shape. For some people, the weight plate shape is easy to use, while for others, it can be awkward and difficult. Limited weight progression. Since the weight plates come in much larger weight sizes than dumbbells, weight progression can be difficult. The weight plate is best used for the core. We can use the brace in a horizontal pressing movement or a vertical hold movement. But what the weight plate works best for is a full body move called the wood chop. We start low, swing high, swinging the plate across the body, keeping the core tight throughout.